It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's peaceful. It's calm. It's so quiet. It took us forever to get up here, but it was worth it.
Hey guys, Miawezan. Welcome back to Kekeli's Corner. If you are new here, my name is Kekeli and I am currently sharing content from my visit to Togo last summer. If you're a returnee, thank you so much for coming back. Your support is greatly appreciated. So let us get into today's video. I am going to walk you through my visit to Kpalimé last summer. Kpalimé is the fourth largest city in Togo and it is located in the Plateau region. It is a touristic city and so it is blessed with mountains, hills, waterfall, and just like really beautiful scenery. The weather in this city makes it really favorable for agriculture. So if you're somebody who loves hiking, camping, doing a lot of mountain activities, or spending time in nature, Kpalimé is the city for you. And my tip is that you go with somebody who is trusted, who knows the city, and who can take you to see all the beautiful and amazing places the city has to offer. When I went back to Togo, we went to Kpalimé 3 times because one day was not sufficient. The first day was on a Sunday. I went with my dad because he had to surprise his friend for his birthday. Have a picture over here, and I got a little feel for the journey. Kpalimé is a 2-hour ride from the capital city of Womé, and I just want to really note that the roads are not in great conditions. So if you are planning to go there, you want to make sure you wake up early. There might be traffic on the road, and there's also construction going on currently. The second time we went to Kpalimé, it was on a Monday. I think it is important to share the days that we made these journeys because it will give you pretty much an idea of what to expect. Normally on weekends it is very busy because a lot of people go there to relax, to chill, spend time with family, so there might be traffic on the way. On this day we headed to Golden Eye. The journey was quite daunting because of poor road conditions. Since some of the roads were under construction, there was a lot of dust on the road. Regardless, we were able to appreciate the beautiful scenery throughout our journey. Once we arrived to Kpalimé, we actually had to make a stop to ask for directions because our GPS was, acting up. We asked for directions to Golden Eye. Golden Eye is basically a place that was built on top of a mountain, and it gives you a really beautiful view of the surrounding mountains, hills, and villages. The directions we received were not that helpful, so we literally had to figure out everything on our own. As we kept driving, we learned that Golden Eye was a little on the outskirts of Kpalimé. It was still part of Kpalimé, but it was in a different village, in the village called Adeta. We drove for about almost an hour to get to the top of the mountain. Now, a really great tip is if you're going to go to Golden Eye, I highly recommend you have a good sturdy car, a car that is like a 4x4 that can actually go through the rough terrains of the mountain.
Voilà. Wow. Kekele in Togo.
Right. Yes. So this is me. So we're walking because the road is so bad and the weight of all of us made it that everything, since it's the rainy season, when it rains, it like drains a lot of soil and everything. So the road is just bad. And yeah, the driver is gone. We're just walking. Yeah, we still have some ways to go. Way up on the mountain, and we hope to do it. Like I said, this is the road. Driver is way ahead of us. I think we needed this. We needed to stretch. It was really important to stretch. Eddie, how you feeling?
I'm good.
You're good?
I like it, yeah?
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
After an exhausting ride, we made it to the top of the mountain.
We made it to the top. To the top.
With the pay. You go closer, we'll see more.
Yeah. So beautiful. So. Oh, la chaîne d'Atakura. So, the chain of Atakura, I had posted it on my story a while ago, but it's basically a chain of mountains that goes through parts of Benin, Togo, and into into Ghana, I'm sorry. And it's called Kpalimé Hills in Ghana.
So we spent some really great time just admiring the view, just taking in the fresh air. I'm not going to lie to you. There is a type of breeze, a type of air that you inhale that just feels extremely fresh, not polluted. We just spent a great deal of time just admiring, just saying wow, wow, wow the entire time. And it was a really great experience.
It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's peaceful. It's calm. It's so quiet. It took us forever to get up here, but it was worth it. Worth it. Really worth it. If you're here, please come to Golden Eye. Come to Golden Eye.
On our way back to Womé, it started raining. We didn't want to make any extra additional stops, so we just made a stop to a family friend. We said hello and we had some amazing fufu. Guys, if you're in Kpalimé, it is widely known to be a place where they make great fufu. I recommend you find a bar and enjoy some really good fufu after climbing the mountains and everything. So this was it for day 2 of Kpalimé. The third time we went to Kpalimé, it was on a Wednesday. I am actually getting ready to go to Kpalimé. We went before, but the first trip we went on was just to one location, and it took us the entire day. So today we are going to Kpalimé again. We are going to village Artisanal, and then we are also going to a waterfall. I'm not quite sure which waterfall we are going to because there are apparently a lot of them in Kpalimé. I've been up for some time now. Right now it's like 6 something a.m. I'm ready and I'm just waiting for the driver.
We are actually in Kpalimé right now, but we are waiting for my dad to get some things done. So we decided to go for a little walk to the cathedral of Kpalimé. So yeah, we're just walking down there.
This time around, our first stop was Centre Artisanal de Kpalimé.
So we finally got to the first location. It's called Centre Artisanal de Kpalimé. It's an artisanal center. I don't know much about it, but I'll let my dad talk a little bit about it.
It's a center where they do the artists who fabricated things. I don't know how you call them.
Okay.
All kind of
So handmade
objects,
crafts,
yes. Okay.
artistic things,
Yeah,
you know.
artistic
Yeah.
things
So we
of every kind. You go, you see.
okay.
You have call it a sculpture
Okay.
of human being, animal, seeds, cloth, and
Okay.
a
All
lot
right.
of things over there.
All right. So come with us.
We were able to visit the pottery space where they made all kinds of jars or pots in clay. We visited other parts of the artisanal center. I just want to give a disclaimer about the artisanal center. When you go, just expect that the prices of things will be quite expensive because a lot of people come there, or a lot of tourists come there and purchase artwork and take it back to their home country. So sometimes the prices can be very hefty on even like the smallest piece of item.
So I saw some little kids, and I think they're really cute. So I'm going there to say hello to them. They're so cute. Bonjour. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Danny, ma kokojua. Eh? Ma kohu ma chokojua. Eh? Make one. Make one. Eh, where hello? Ma kokojua. Paul, ma kokojua. Ruth. Ocha ma kokojua. Eh? Milava. Penene mi do.
After the artisanal center, we headed to Chateau Viale. Initially, Chateau Viale was not on our list, but the driver was like, oh, we are already on the way, so why not just go to Chateau Viale? So we went to Chateau Viale.
We are now at Chateau Viale. It's basically a castle built by a German. It's beautiful, but we'll go see what it's all about.
Les châteaux-là dans la Sambre, quand on se là-dedans, c'est construit depuis 1940. C'était en 1944. Maître Viall même, c'était une piste qu'il avait tracée, il venait à cheval. Donc c'est là où venait Kpalimé. Donc les marteaux de contrôle par des trains à la gare de Kpalimé. Nous les véhicules qui prennent de la douane. Là vous avez vu nos confrères habillés, ce n'est pas là où on nous a donné les tickets. On dépose et c'est la force physique. Le jour on est sur 700 à 800 mètres d'altitude par rapport à la mer. Durant les 4 ans de construction, tous ceux qui ont transporté sont payés en 10 francs, 15 francs, 20 francs, 25 francs par mois. Donc c'était le salon de l'Ignacement ici. Les hôtels ici, tout ici est construit en 1944.
So after seeing Chateau Viale and, you know, learning a little bit more about the place, we headed to our final stop, which was Cascade de Womé, also known as Womé Waterfall. We drove for quite some time and we ended up at the waterfall. Before we got to the waterfall, I think the waterfall was still like a little under constructions, like the ramp and everything that gives you access to the waterfall. And we got stopped by some people and they were like, where are you going? We told them where we're going and they're like, yeah, you gotta back up all the way to who knows. And it was just frustrating because we've just been having subliminal services in Togo. Like, am I the only one with this type of experience?
We just got here. It took some hassle, but we are here. The view is super beautiful and we are going to walk, I believe, to the location. I can't wait to bring you guys with me, but we're all a little upset by the service. Like, service is just being a problem here in Togo. Guys, there's a lot of walking involved. We finally got down the stairs and we're walking through the wilderness. Like, as you can see behind me, it's, yes daddy, I'm doing this. We are almost there. Ooh. Wow. Yes, this is beautiful. It is great. Look at that. Took us heaven and earth to get here. Make sure you have appropriate shoes because it's a lot of rocks. I have sneakers on, but you gotta be very careful. We just had a really wonderful time. You can see the waterfall back there. If you're ever in Togo, come to Cascade de Womé. It's quite a descent and also going to be a hike. Coming back up, it's something else. Lots of walking, and good thing they have these places called reposoir. We still have some more to go, but it's fun and we are going to do it. We finally made it back on top and I'm huffing and puffing. It was amazing. We have some goats running around, some really cute goats. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm really going to say bye right here and on to the next vlog. Bye.